Okay, so now we have 4 vertices simple graphs. So simple, all 4 isolated. Here we have just a 1 edge. Here we've got 2 edges. And here we would have 2 edges with an isolated vertex. And then we could have 3 edges. Okay, so then it gets into the little trickier ones. Oh, I guess we could do like all of them here, right? Like that. Okay, so let's see what else we've got. We could do a triangle, right? That one with a isolated vertex out there. We could have all the edges coming out from one vertex, right? And that gives a degree 3 vertex there. Oh, and then I could be kind of tricky. I could take my square and I could put a diagonal through it. Or I could take this and then make kind of an arrow with that. That's kind of crazy. And oh, I can also take my square and make diagonal edges. And I could do one more. I could do that. So those, I think, are all of the graphs. Okay, 4 vertices, 3 edges, crazy number of them. So it doesn't say simple, so we've got all kinds of different things we could do. 3 edges, okay. So here we go. That's 1. And then I could put a loop, and I could do that, and then this, and this. And I could put a parallel edge, right? I could have 2 edges, right? 1 and 2. I could have an isolated vertex and then loops on 3 of them. Or I could have a line between one, and then this one could have 2 loops. Oh, and I could have 3 loops on 1 vertex and all the rest of them isolated. Or I could have an edge and a loop, and then 2 isolated vertices. I could have a loop and an edge. No, oh yeah, and this one's very similar to this, right? These 2 are really similar, just added an edge. Then what else do I have? 2 loops, 1 loop, 2 isolated, triangle, and an isolated. We could have degree 3 vertex. Let's see, I could have parallel edge, right? And then, oh no, just 1. Oh wait, no, okay, that's too many edges. I could have a loop, and then parallel edges to that, and then that's 1, 2, 3 edges, and then 2 vertices like this. I could have 2 vertices like this, and I could put 3 edges, right? Parallel edges like that. And let's see, I could have that edge and parallel edges just between those 2. 1, 2, 3 edges, yep. And then I could have that. And then, oh my goodness, so many. Do you think I would give you one like this on your test? Absolutely not. But it's kind of fun. And then loop, and then this, and loop. 1, whoop, that's 4 edges. No edge here. There we go. Done!